Hi, Josie. Okay, here, Josie, get the book, okay?
You put it close to her.
Don't put it too close so she can crawl. Let's see if she can crawl. Wrong way.
She took my bag.
Come back, Josie.
You made my toys away. You took my toys away.
It's okay. She's just a baby.
You got your face. She won't out her stomach.
Put the book in front of her so she can get it.
Like this?
A little further away.
Like this?
Like that. Okay, go, Josie.
She can't.
No. Put it farther so she can get it. Put it far away. Like that. Not too far, just a little far.
Is this?
Right there, yeah.